In this video, we're going to show you how to install the coolant temp sensor on your Nissan Versa located on the top side of your engine. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the two bolts holding our engine cover in place. Just go ahead and lift straight up. Pop that aside. Now right here is going to be the wiring harness for the sensor itself. The sensor is held in place by a bolt right here. Now on this harness there would normally be some clips that you would press down on and pull the harness off. Slide that off. I'm just going to tuck that harness aside for now. Let's go ahead and remove that bolt. We're going to go ahead and use a 10mm wrench on this here. Once that comes free, you can just reach in there, spin that bolt out. Now this is the coolant temp sensor. You may lose a little bit of coolant when you remove this sensor here. So if you want, you can have some towels or a drip bucket underneath. Once that bolt is out, we can go ahead and lift up on this sensor. I'm going to rotate this, wiggle it up. Just maneuver that sensor up and out. I want to go ahead and install our sensor. I'm just going to position that into the hole in the top here. Line this up. We're going to push that in. I'm going to work that in so that O-ring seals that in there. Once that's in place, I'm going to go ahead and install the bolt. Get that bolt started a few threads, and I like to get it threaded in as far as I can by hand. Go ahead and snug this down. Once that bolt bottoms out, I'm going to just tighten down a hair bit more. Don't want to over tighten it and crack the sensor. Bring your connector around and we're going to slide that on. I'm going to push it on. You can hear and feel it snap into place. Now, installing your engine cover, you want to go ahead and pay attention to these two plastic posts that press into these rubber grommets on the intake. Line those up, gently push down on that cover, install your two 10mm bolts on the top. Now let's go ahead and snug those down. Now you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.